What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to give you a quick overview of the Kartra business management platform and its different features. So Kartra is a great platform that you can use to manage your business, driving sales, managing customers, as well as creating posts and websites, marketing, to have marketing tools via email or SMS, and so much more. It can help you grow your business by marketing your products, by capturing leads, by creating or managing customers, and so much more. So let's get right to it. First of all, go to their website, that's kartra.com, and you'll be redirected to their homepage. You'll see here some of the benefits. So for coaches, it can help you for website building, managing your calendar, checkouts, email marketing campaigns, and managing memberships. For creators, so if you are a music creator or a video creator, it can help you build your page, create surveys, help desks, and digital products, market digital products, as well as build email marketing campaigns. And for experts, they can help you create forms, calendar events, webinars, team members, or manage team members, and create and manage invoicing and bills. Now here you can create, you can market, you can scale your business, and so much more. So you can see here some charts of how this works and some images, as well as some features, some testimonials, and everything you need to know about the platform. Now here you can go and take a look at their pricing because their service aren't free. So if I click on plans and pricing pretty quickly, I can see here, I choose the annual plans. I can switch of course to monthly payment. I can see they have some plans. The starter plan, which is the least expensive, is $119 a month, billed monthly. The growth plan is $229, and the professional is $549 a month. Of course, the prices will be slightly less if you decide to pay manually. Now you can see here a comparison of the properties and the features of each plan to choose which one is best for you. Now here, let's start a free trial. You can sign up with any of the plan. However, we're going to start a free trial to show you how it works. And here I need to fill in my information. So my name, my email. I'm using here a VPN, so it detects that my country is Spain and my state is Granada in Spain. And I can change the country and the state if I want to. However, I'll just keep them as they are right now. So here I just fill in my information and then get back to you. Okay, and now here is my card. The subtotal is $119 monthly. However, I'm just starting as a free user. So for the first 30 days, I'm going to pay virtually nothing. And here, do you have a coupon? No, I don't. Let's continue. And now here, I'll just have to enter my card information, my card number, and then I'll be signed in. And here I have to agree, of course, with the billing terms. So now once you enter your card number, expiration date, and CVV, or your code, your security code, and now here you can just here continue the sign up process and enter or start your using your trial. However, I'm just not going to enter my card details. I'll just close it, and it's like a quick overview of the platform and the services that are offered by it. So I'm not going to enter my card details for now. Now here you can go ahead and see that the platform allows you to use many tools from the Kartra pages that allows you to create pages with drag and drop builder, the Kartra leads that allows you to manage your leads and customers and grow them, the Kartra funnel and campaigns that allows you to convert your visitors into lead and subscribers, the Kartra webinars that allows you to interact with your audience, the Kartra videos that allows you to pop offers and interact through the video, the Kartra mail, which allows you to create email and SMS marketing campaigns, as well as the Kartra checkout that allows you to create checkout forms, the Kartra membership that allows you to professionally design membership creator or membership builders, and so much more. Of course, here, as you know, you can go ahead and view the platform and its different services. So if you are a creator, you can create landing page and websites. If I click on landing page and website, here I can get more information as well as some examples of the websites that I can create using their builder. And here I have a video that further shows me the process and the examples. Here I have landing pages. I can view they have many templates, so more than 100 templates. I can create forms as well using their like service. I can create other types of contents as well as maintain and connect my domain name and create my complete website using their service. Now here I can go ahead and view the features for the landing page builder. They have a wide library of templates. I can customize the templates the way I want to, and much more features. Now let's go ahead in the platform. I can here create membership sites. I can create video marketing software, and I can also in the marketing I can manage leads. I can create email marketing. I can create funnels and campaigns. So let's check the email marketing options pretty quickly. I can start here automating email marketing campaigns and as well as SMS marketing campaigns. And I can view here some of the tools that are given to me if I decide to use their email marketing campaigns, automation email marketing campaigns, as well as some statistics and some information. So here I can click here to log in if I already have an account, or I can become an affiliate and start working with them. Let's go ahead and view more services. So in the scale, for example, I can create funnel and mapping for my business. I can view real-time funnel analytics. I can create surveys and quizzes to collect feedbacks from my customers. And I can manage my calendar to schedule my appointments. So let's view some more information about these surveys and quizzes that I can create to collect my customers' opinions and information. Here I can create quizzes and forms pretty quickly. I can view here they have a video that shows me how it's done. And I can create automations from quiz results here, collecting them from my customers. And here I can choose or customize my quiz experience for my customers, as well as get quiz insights at a glance, of course, based on the answers and the responses that I gather. And as you can see here, I have some graphs and some charts that gives me some statistics and some insights about the responses of my leads or my customers, sorry. And here I can analyze the responses, I can track them, and I can do whatever I want with them. And here they give me the key features that you can build surveys in minutes, and I can get automations, comprehensive data analytics for the responses, and so much more. And here I can view some reviews, some testimonials from business owners that use the service. And here also the frequently asked questions about the quiz or surveys creating. So what kind of service, and these questions are, or frequently asked questions, exist within each section. Each section has its own questions. So questions like what kind of surveys is Kartra an online quiz maker and stuff like that. And if I click on the plus icon, I can expand the response for each question. Now let's go to platform. We reviewed most of the services, the useful services. Now in the resources, I can get the support, Kartra support. I can view the blogs, I can view video testimonials. I can go to the marketplace to search or browse for pre-built templates and campaigns. I can view integrations and API to view the services that they can integrate with. And I can view the services offered by Kartra for agencies and compare them to other solutions. So with this being said, with all the benefits and all the functionalities of the platform that I showed you, this was like a quick overview of the Kartra business management platform and its different features.